This is my attire for today, guys. Naglilinis yung OTD. Our OTD for today. Okay. Waiting mode. Happy birthday, Maki. Advance happy birthday, Mary Ann. And advance happy birthday, Shane. Magkakasunod pala kayo. My goodness. July, August. Happy birthday sa inyo, guys. Hello. Sobrang init ata ng heater. Dito tayo sa car. Car. Winter time. Ito guys, bigay ng Vietnamese for free daw. It's about counseling. They doing counseling for out of stress and for any worries that you have. I think they're offering guidance and counseling, and they giving this for free. So it's really hot, the heater now. Okay.